So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you know that Apple has launched the iOS 17 yesterday. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can download the developer beta version of iOS 17. So here you can see the cool features, app shortcuts and all, in-app purchases, maps, machine learning, share play, wallet. There are a lot of improvements that they have done. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can download. So let me show you first. So if you go to software update, you can see here beta updates, it's switched off. So if I click on iOS 17 beta, it will show me that I have the iOS 17 developer beta. So I'm going to tell you how you can also download this one. So I'm not going to download it now because as it is in developer beta mode, so there can be a lot of bugs and I need my mobile working perfectly. So I'm going to tell you how you can download this one if you want to try it. So let's start this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's start, and you have to do a process that I will show you now. So guys, first you have to go to Apple developer program, and when you go here you will find a lot of things here. So first you have to click on view releases. I will show you. So you can see a lot of things here for the developers. So what you need to do is you have to go up, and here you will find the SDK, this one, get the latest betas. You have to click on view. When you click on view you will see a lot of things here: Xcode 15 beta, iOS 17 beta, and it's the iPad OS 17 beta. And then you will find it for Mac OS, and you will find everything for watches and everything. So you have to select the iOS, or you can select whatever you want for Mac OS or your Apple TV or your Apple Watch, so whatever you need. So I'm going to click on iOS 17 beta. When you click here you have to click on view. So when you click here it will ask for the Apple ID. So you just need to sign with your Apple ID. When you sign in, it will say something like this. So you have to accept the terms and conditions. You can read and then accept, and when you submit, it's all done. Yes. So when you submit, it will show something like this, that you have signed in or something like this. Then you have to just wait for some time, 10 or 15 minutes, and then you will be able to download it. So to download it, what you have to do, you have to just go to your mobile settings. Let me show you. So guys, after you do that process that I have just shown you, you have to go here to the software updates, and then you have to come here to the beta, and you will find it off, and you have to enable it. So you have to select iOS 17 developer beta as I showed you already, and then you will be able to download it like this. You have to just download and it will install normally. I hope you will like this video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will meet with a new video. See you.